This is how to upload a file in Overleaf. From your project dashboard, you can choose your project. You want to add a file, or you can create a new project, or maybe a blank project, and create your project name. My own project, let's say, and click create. Then go to file, click upload file. You can select files, or you can also upload a folder. Let's say we will upload a file. Overleaf accepts PDF, PNG, JPEG, .tx files. Okay, let's try to upload an image file. And you can see here on the left side panel the uploaded image. You can also upload a folder. Let's say select a folder. Okay, let's say this folder. Click upload and just upload. And here is your uploaded folder. So this is how to upload a file in Overleaf.